Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will talk about the AI recorder. So firstly I'm going to configuration. So we have to add the configuration, add the dependency, targets URL. After the add configuration, click on save button, and after that you can record and playback, and you can use the AI recorder. So I'm using the AI recorder in this video. So now you can see here, open the patient 7 dashboard. In right side and left side you can see the chat. You can simply in simple English text like a click on add patient and send it. So it is analyzed, and after that click on this add patient button. So now you can see add patient button is clicked and open the add patient form. So you can enter the second command, enter first name is C, click on this and enter the C, enter the send button. So now you can see here, enter the Haseen, and I'm going to enter the last name. I click on send button. So you can see Ahmed is entered the last name. So enter the date of birth. Click on send. So now you can see and enter date of birth. So and after that I'm going to mobile number, enter mobile number. Number is entered. After that click on save button. You can send the one by one prompt. You can send the only one time prompts and click on send. So you can see patient is added successfully. After that, so now you can see patient is added successfully. So now you can save the test cases. So here is the so here is the steps. You can edit the manually and click on this and edit the test case. You can generate a random date of birth. You can add the first name. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. AI recorder.